Hello, brilliant students, and welcome back to Yana's English Academy. Today, we're tackling the basics of English grammar, prepositions, articles, and the most common tenses. First up, let's dive into articles. These little words, an, and the, are essential for building correct sentences, so let's break them down. Use article A before singular countable nouns that start with a consonant sound. Example, a car, a house. Use article N before singular countable nouns that start with a vowel sound. Example, an apple, an umbrella. Use article the when talking about something specific or already mentioned. Example, the sun, the book on the table. Here are a few more examples. I saw a dog in the park. There is a new restaurant in town. Do you have an idea for the project? She opened the window to let in fresh air. I read the book you recommended. It was great. Great job! Now that you understand articles, let's move on to something equally important, prepositions. Words like in, on, and at might seem small, but they're powerful in showing relationships between objects, places, and time. Let's break them down. Prepositions show the relationship between words in a sentence. The most common prepositions are in. Use in for enclosed spaces, periods of time. I live in a city. He was born in January. On. Use it for surfaces or specific days and dates. The book is on the table. We'll meet on Monday. At. Use it for specific points or locations. She's at the door. I'm at school. Quick quiz. Complete the sentences. You can pause the video if you need to. Here are the sentences. Now that you've mastered prepositions, it's time to talk about tenses. Tenses are the backbone of English grammar. They help us express when something happens. First, we'll look at the present simple tense. This is perfect for talking about habits, routines, and facts. Here are its forms. Affirmative. I play. He plays. They play. Negative. I do not play. I don't play. She doesn't play. They don't play. Questions. Do I play? Do they play? Does she play? Examples. I study English every day. She doesn't like coffee. Do they work here? That's the present simple. Next up, we have the present continuous tense. This tense is great for describing actions happening right now or around this moment. Here are its forms. Affirmative. I am working. You are studying. He is running. Negative. I am not working. They are not studying. She is not running. Questions. Am I working? Are you studying? Is he running? Examples. I am learning English, or I'm learning English. He isn't watching TV. Are you listening to me? Nice work so far. Now, let's move to the future simple tense. It's all about talking about things that will happen. Let's explore the simple yet essential tense. The future simple tense is used to describe actions that will happen in the future. Take a minute to study its forms. Affirmative. I will go. We will go. She will go. Negative. I will not or I won't go. We will not go. We won't go. She won't go. Questions. Will you go? Will they go? Take a look at some examples now. I will call you tomorrow. They won't come to the party. Will she arrive on time? Next, we're going back in time with the past simple tense. This is how we talk about things that happened and are finished. Let's take a closer look. The past simple tense is used to describe completed actions in the past. Check out the forms. Regular verbs. Add ed. Examples: I worked, she played. Irregular verbs. These verbs don't follow a pattern. Examples: I went, he saw. Negative. Use did not or didn't plus base verb. Example: I didn't go. Questions. Use did plus subject plus base verb. Did you see the movie? Here are some more examples. She visited her friend yesterday. They didn't finish their homework. Did he call you last night? Finally, we have the present perfect tense. This tense connects the past and the present. It's used for actions that happen at an unspecified time or have a result in the present. Let me show you how it works. Affirmative. I have worked. We have worked. She has worked. Negative. You have not worked. You haven't worked. He has not worked. He hasn't worked. Questions. Have you worked? Has he worked? Examples. I have visited London. She hasn't finished her project. Have you ever eaten sushi? Congratulations, you've covered the basics of English grammar. Remember to practice these tenses, articles, and prepositions in your daily life. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next lesson at Yana's English Academy. Bye!